All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the GT model, this beautiful black with black leather interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering controls, navigation system, roof racks, third row seating, heated seats, heated rear seats, fog lights, 46,000 miles on this car, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Let's go real quick. The front bumper looks pretty good. Does have some minor road chips, here on the front of the bumper, as you can see. Your hood looks good. Your fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Check out your tire thread, which is just under 730 seconds. Let me double check it. Actually, just over 730 seconds, almost at 8. This door looks pretty good. Does have a dent here with some paint off. This quarter looks pretty good. This rear door look good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. And your tire thread. It's over 730 seconds. Double checking it. That's correct. Over 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dents or anything up there. Of course, you got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. It is does have two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got Christmas songs going on already. Of course, you got your AM, FM, CD player on it and all that good stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. Of course, that's your Navi system. Got your backup camera. Pow. Heated seats right there. Pop, pop. All right. You got your steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. Is what your instrument cluster is. No lights on. Any issues? Your mileage of 46,250. Pretty nice. All right. Fog lights are on. Yes, they are. Let's keep it moving. Got some buttons up here. Wow. Got your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Like one in the third row, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents and rear AC controls. Rear bumper looks pretty good. This is what your rear trunk space looks like. Of course, these seats fold down. Got a little push button there that closes this lift gate, which is in pretty good condition. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. The tire thread here is over 730 seconds. It's the hairline over. This quarter here, this door here looks pretty good. Got your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, or rips. Likewise in your third row, no holes, no tears, or rips to that. This door looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Right there is your heated seats for the rear. All right, just wanted to show you guys that before we completed. This fender here looks pretty good. Here's your your front passenger's rim. I don't see any curbing on this. And your tire thread is over 730 seconds. Lights. Working car is on, folks. Once again, this is a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan GT model with 46,000 miles. You guys get any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.